Travis Scott All Bay Burger. Just look at that. What's cooking, everyone? As you may have heard, Travis Scott has released his own Travis Scott meal at McDonald's. Because Travis is actually one of my favorite artists, I thought I may as well pay respects by trying out his meal and showing you how to make an even better version of this at home. Iconic McDonald's flavor, a great touch with that bacon as well. There's something about good old-fashioned fast food when you haven't eaten in a while. Irreplaceable taste.
And my Sprite.
Tastes like auto-tune. Tangy BBQ sauce with fries. Something that sounds a little bit weird to me. I'm always a ranch or ketchup type of person, so let's give it a little try. It's not bad. I like the barbecue flavor, but it's a little too sweet for French fries, I would say. Now it's time to make the Ball Bay Travis Scott burger. Let's get to it. To keep it authentic, we're not going to add toppings, but we are going to do some extreme enhancing. Beginning with the sauce, which will start with a bunch of different types of condiments. If you can't find them all, try to find as many as you can, but you really should find them all. Sriracha for some very slight heat, Worcestershire sauce for flavor, and of course, some barbecue sauce for Travis Scott. Just a pinch of some salt and pepper. And we're going to dice a small dill pickle by first cutting into sheets, strips, then dicing. This will amplify the sauce in texture and flavor. Mix that all together and we got the greatest burger sauce ever. I'm telling you, this stuff is electrifying. For our toppings, we got some beautiful lettuce. Cut it in half, group it, then cut into strips. Easy peasy. Pickles, we want some nice, thick slices. Just like that. We're taking these onions to a whole different planet. We're gonna start by giving them a pretty rough dice. We don't want them too small. About the size you see here, but it really doesn't matter. Bring them to the fire. In a pan with some oil, throw in the onions. We're gonna get these so delicious caramelized by sauteing them on a medium heat for about 15 to 20 minutes. Once they get about this color, we're gonna drop in a nice chunk of butter. Complement that with a bit of salt and pepper, and this will amplify the onions to a whole different level. The aroma from this itself is enough to make your mouth water. Slightly golden and dark brown, that is perfection. Massive, thick cut bacon onto the stove. Cook these about 3 to 4 minutes on each side. Slightly crispy but still tender, that's the bacon we need. And now for the star of the show. Grab a ground beef and lightly form them into a 1/4 pound size meatball. You don't want to overwork the meat here. Well formed but still a little loose. And we're going to treat these babies with a bit of salt and pepper and just roll them around to season all the sides. Into the fire. On a cast iron pan, get it raging hot. Brush it down with some oil and throw in our patty. Now with the spatula, we're gonna smash these patties super flat. This is gonna give it a beautiful crust and lock in all that juice and flavor. Sprinkle on some salt and just let this cook for a couple of minutes. Flip it, bam. That's exactly what you want to see. A gorgeous char, and we're going to let that happen on the other side as well. In the last minute, throw in a good old-fashioned slice of American cheese, just to let that render. That is a stunning patty, enough to give you goosebumps. Finally, our buns. Throw in some butter on a low heat, and just let the buns toast and suck up all that buttery goodness. Don't forget to do both sides. Let's assemble this baby. The ultimate burger sauce goes on first, and a good heaping amount of it as well. You can be as generous as you want with this. Drop in the smashed patties. 1 and 2. Thick sliced bacon, then our gorgeous caramelized onions, lettuce, pickles, Some more sauce on top. Get this thing overflowing. And finally, seal it all together. Now that is an astronomical burger. Just look at that. Whew. Let's go for it. I was trying to make the best quarter pounder ever, but this may be the best burger ever, period. Gotta go for another bite. Oh my god. Smash burger keeps the patty so juicy. You can just taste the moisture of the fat and flavor. Complemented with the crispy bacon and pickles just adds a nice crunch to it as well. The homemade sauce. This right here is a burger fit for a rock star. Yeah! Do your taste buds a favor and make this right now. Don't forget to subscribe, share, chop the like button, and I'll see you guys next week. Thanks for watching.